10 hobbies that will replace mindless scrolling and actually breathe life back into your soul. Welcome to Bloom Within. First, embracing AI and new skills. If there is one thing you owe yourself, it's the promise to never stop growing. AI is changing the world, but instead of fearing it, use it to buy back your time. When you learn to leverage tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney, you stop drowning in busy work and start finding space to breathe, create, and focus on what truly matters to your heart. Second, strength training or mindful movement. This isn't about changing how your body looks. It's about building proof. Proof that you can show up for yourself on the days you feel completely empty. Proof that you can push through pain instead of running away from it. Every workout is a quiet promise to yourself that you are worth the effort. Third, reading life stories and memoirs. When you feel lost, the greatest comfort is knowing you aren't alone. Every memoir is a testament to human survival. You learn from people who walk through their darkest chapters and still found the light. Their pain becomes your comfort, and their survival becomes your blueprint. Fourth, deep journaling and writing. We carry so much heavy, unspoken weight in our minds. Writing is how you set yourself free. The blank page won't judge you. It just patiently waits for you to untangle your fears, your dreams, and your anxiety. When you write, you stop running from your feelings and finally start listening to yourself. Fifth, strategic games like chess. In a world that rushes you, chess forces you to slow down. It teaches you a beautiful lesson. Every choice has meaning. It reminds you to pause, to breathe, and to think before you react. Slowly, you stop living in survival mode and start moving with intention. Sixth, escaping into nature. Please spend more time outside. Walk through the trees. Watch the sky change colors. Sit quietly beside the water. Nature doesn't demand anything from you. It just lets you exist. The further you walk away from your screens, the closer you get to your own peace. Seventh, the art of holding space and teaching others. The most beautiful way to heal is to help someone else. When you take the time to gently teach someone a skill or a lesson you've learned, you validate your own journey. Sharing your light doesn't dim your spark. It makes the whole room brighter. Eighth, discovering your voice through speaking. For too long, you might have stayed quiet to keep others comfortable. Learning to communicate clearly is how you reclaim your power. It builds quiet confidence, destroys the fear of being judged, and helps you finally set the boundaries you deserve. Ninth, creative storytelling and video editing. We all have a story inside of us waiting to be told. Learning to edit, to paint, or to create is simply learning how to translate your emotions into something the world can feel. Instead of numbing yourself by watching others live, spend that time crafting something beautiful that leaves a piece of your heart behind. 10th, building your own garden online. A page, a community, a brand, or a channel just like this one. Stop watching everyone else chase their dreams while you sit in the shadows. If you are only consuming, you are starving your own potential. Plant a seed today. Build something that belongs to you. You don't have to do all of these. Just pick one or two and promise yourself you won't give up. Comment the hobby you are choosing today, because your life won't change by simply watching this video. It changes the moment you decide to bloom. Subscribe to Bloom Within.